Hello and welcome to How to Draw Stuff. Today we show you how to draw the new PlayStation 5 console. Some may not even know what it looks like, but here you can see and draw it at the same time. Let's get started. The PS5 console is essentially a rectangular cuboid, although the sides are slanted and there is a space in the middle. Start by sketching a cuboid at your chosen angle. At this corner, we draw a diagonal line to show the slanted side. Now we do the same on this side. On the top side, we connect these slanted parts like this. We use soft edges for the bottom since it is a little bit curved. We want to do the same thing on the bottom side, although we will only be able to see the exposed front edges. On the bottom left hand corner, there's also a little stand we need to draw in. Here we're going to put the PlayStation logo, which we draw as a P connected to an S. To see a larger version of this logo, click the link in our description. We now go over it with a fine black pen and add the details to the logo. Our PS5 console is white, but the middle section is a dark black. We show you this by colouring it in with a marker. Erase any guidelines if necessary, and here is our final drawing. Go over to our channel for plenty more tutorials on video games and subscribe for even more to come. We'll see you next time.